Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to NineandLearn.com. Today, I'm going to walk you through on how to download the entire GSM numbers of Nigeria, the entire active GSM numbers of Nigeria. And secondly, I'm also going to walk you through on how to leverage the entire GSM numbers of Nigeria. In other words, how to make money from the GSM numbers of Nigeria. Okay. So my name is Mbono Watson. I will teach you how to make money from GSM numbers after giving you the entire GSM numbers of Nigeria, well categorized by their state by state, local government by local government. The number I'm to give to you today are well categorized, and secondly, it has people's name, people's phone number, their occupation, their states, their local government, their location, and these numbers can be used for what? Responsive customers engage marketing. Okay, so as you can see, Abia State is here, Abuja DFCT database is here, Adamawa database is here, Akwa Ibom database is here, Anambra State database is here, down to Zamfara State, and it comes on zipped file. What do I mean by zipped file? That is to say, to download it, you need to extract it. Okay? After you must have downloaded it, you need to extract it. Okay? So, welcome to NineandLearn.com. NineandLearn is an online news portal and online educational management system. That is to say, as a person, you listening to me, you can come to NineandLearn and learn. We have hundreds of courses, professional courses, key courses, etc. Okay, so when you land on NineandLearn now, so search for the course how to make money from GSM number, and thank God it's free. Okay, it's free for now, it's free for today. So just click here. Before now, the GSM number I'm about to share with you cost no less than 250,000 naira, but today you'll be getting it for free. Yes, for absolutely free. Okay, so just click here. If you click here, click on take this course, or best you can click on sign up. Okay, because even though it is free, whether you're coming from Facebook, wherever you're coming from, landing on this page, you still need to sign up in order to have account with NineandLearn.com, so you can be able to access this product. Okay, of course some people are too lazy, but it is for your own advantage that you sign up. But if you don't feel like signing up, you see, you can use this default username. GSM number is the username. GSM number space 123 colon, and as you can see, this is the password. Okay, you can use both to do what? To log in and access this course. So let me quickly do that. Let me copy the username, take it to photo note, paste the username, then copy the password, copy it rightly. Okay, but if I'm you, I will advise you to register an account, because upon registering an account, there are other freebies you will get from this site NineandLearn, such as you will get 3 free premium courses. Okay, you will get 3 internet marketing ebooks. Then you will get 3 softwares. When you get these 3 softwares, you will see what these softwares can do for you. So this is the sample of the database you'll be getting. It has people's phone number, names, location, local government, sex, occupation, etc. Okay, so if you still read more, apart from the course, apart from what you'll be getting, you still also get active email addresses of buyers' email addresses of Nigerians. Okay, about 3 million of emails. Now, what should you do? Once you log in, you can now access both the complete video course on how to make money from GSM numbers. Okay, and also download the GSM number. GSM number are on this category, requirement to make money from GSM number, and it begins with what? Active GSM numbers with download link. So it is here. So what should I do now? Let me log in. Let me log in to take this course. So I will click on what? Take this course. So let me paste the password I copied. So you should do the same, or best, open an account. To open an account is very easy. Okay, if you click on take this course, instead of logging in with the default password and username we provided, just click on what? Sign up. Okay, but here we click on login. Wow, as you can see, I'm in, and this is a default user. So on your own, just do what? Sign in. Okay, so once you sign in, under a minute you will be automatically activated. Then you can access you can even go to your email address and activate your account and access the GSM database, likewise the video course. Okay, so this is it. If you can see, the course is already listed here on the user profile. So click on courses. So as you can see, this is the course. Then if you're using this default username, click on what? Continue. If you're not using this default username, then you may need to do what? When you must have logged in, you may need to return back to the home page and click on what? How to make money from GSM number course. As you can see, once you're in, at the right side of if you're browsing from a laptop, okay? If you're browsing from a laptop, if you're browsing from a mobile phone, depending on your screen display, what you should look for is this module. And the module comprises what? Getting good in GSM numbers. It starts with introduction, getting started, making money from GSM number. Then the outline is here. So take your time to watch the videos, okay? They are killing videos, worth thousands of money on this module, okay? Although today you're getting it for free, but tomorrow it may not be free, okay? But once you have signed into the course, you have signed in. Even though if we update it to paid course, you will still be able to do what? To access your courses. So now here's what we need for now. Requirement to make money from GSM numbers. So just click on active GSM numbers with download link to the entire GSM numbers of Nigeria. Give it a click. It will take you straight to the unit where the download link for the whole GSM numbers in Nigeria are being hosted. As you can see, active GSM number with download link to the GSM entire numbers of Nigeria. Now you can scroll down. Are you seeing them? So this is what? Abuja. This is Abuja. The 36 states of Nigeria is hosted there. Likewise, the Abuja, the state capital. Okay, they are all here. So just take your time and do what? Download them one after the other. Then extract them. Is very easy. As you can see, this is Lagos. If you click on any of the download link, in example, let's use Lagos. You click here. It will take you straight to the download link where you can download the active GSM numbers of Nigeria. And this is the GSM database of Lagos State GSM database. Wow, some people are selling this thing for over 100 plus thousands of naira. But today you're getting it for free. Okay, so you can click here to download. And don't fail to return back to your course. Your course has not been completed. Okay, you can scroll down here and click on what? Next unit. Then take time to study the course, the videos that comes with this course. The videos reviews how to make money from GSM number. It is very, very important that you watch the videos. As you can see, this is a video. There are videos on each episode on this module. Okay, if you click on it, it will play. Are you hearing it? So this is our way of welcoming you to nairalearn.com. Feel free to browse around NairaLearn. There are so many goodies here in NairaLearn. It's an online education system for Nigerians. where you can come and learn any courses, educational courses, language courses, how to make money online courses, internet courses, programming courses, etc. Okay, so thank you and God bless us all. I remain your instructor, Mbono Watson.